Good morning, student. My name Karansinh Vala, Assistant Professor, Rai School of Management Study. Today we are learning the topic Software Development Life Cycle. First, we need to understand what is the objective of the software development life cycle for the learning. To learn, basic objective is to high quality software that meet the exit customer to aim building software for the society and the customers. Pre-requirement, that is a basic knowledge of operational language and a sound engineering principle, that is a prerequisite of this learning. Software development life cycle, the definition is a process used in software industry to design, develop, test high quality software. Software development life cycle is the process follow the project within a software organization. It consists of a detailed plan describe how to develop, how to maintain, how to replace another specific software. Software development life cycle is a one kind of methodology that can produce a quality of software. This is a typical stage of SDLC life cycle. There are 6 stages: planning, defining, designing, building, testing, and deployment. So, in detail, we discuss first stage, planning. Planning is basically one type of requirement. We can give an example. Say, if one organization can purchase a software for all the department, so any senior member of this institute or company that collect the requirement and plan for that software. In that software quality and risk is also planned in this stage. The second stage is defining. Defining means all the for example one institute that can purchase the software, and all the department have a different kind of requirement. That requirement there is a one code name, that is SRS, Software Requirement Specification. The document is called SRS, and that SRS is the basic plan of your requirement for the software. Third stage, to designing or architecture. In this stage, actual designing is process. In this stage, to develop a design, there is another document, DDS, Design Document Specification. That document is actually designed the whole requirement of a software and that need of a software. A design and approach is clearly defined to articulate the model of a product along with the communication, data flow, and representation of external third-party modules. The fourth stage is a building and developing. In this stage, the SDLC actually develop to start a production of a particular product or a software. And in this stage, all the developer have actually coded the software in this stage. If your design is completed on this stage, all the developer are without any kind of hustle. It can design the software and develop the code as per the requirement. Developer must follow the code guideline defined by their organization with the various type of programming tool and various type of languages. For example, C, C++, Java, .NET, many other languages there. And such a software or a tool that there is compiler, interpreter, all the debugger is there. The fifth stage is the testing. The real software testing in this stage, when you already build all the software, then in this stage it can be tested all the requirement which is defined in the first stage. All the requirement that is given by the institution or a student or a customer, that is actually tested by them. And however, this stage is referred to testing the only stage to product where the product defect are reported, tracked, fixed, and retested until the product is high quality. Now the last stage is the deployment. Deployment is the actually where your product or software can launch in the market, but it's partially. Partially, that means some of the portion of a software can release or not whole software, and that is one requirement that is called UAT, user acceptance testing. On the base of feedback of this product, any of the related as a suggestion, enhancement of the targeting market, the product release in the market. Now, software development life cycle models, that is various types of models there, and waterfall model, interactive model, evolutionary model, prototype model, spiral model, RAD model, agile model, and incremental model. Thank you. I conclude my session.